हेलो चिल्ड्रेन, आज की क्लास में फिर हम लोग हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस का प्रूविंग क्वेश्चन करेंगे एंड वी आर अबाउट टू कंप्लीट द टॉपिक। अब बस ये टॉपिक कंप्लीट होने वाला है। इसके बाद टॉप 10 सीरीज में कुछ एमसीक्यूज क्वेश्चन हम लोग लिंक करेंगे जो कि आने वाले बोर्ड एग्जाम के लिए यूजफुल होगा आप लोगों के लिए। तो लेट अस स्टार्ट दिस क्वेश्चन। द एलिवेशन ऑफ अ टावर at a station A due north of it is alpha, and at a station B due east of A is beta. So at first make the diagram, and it is better to mark the direction. So if this is north, then this is south, and this is east and this is west. Now tower is here. This is the tower and angle of this point is A, and this is angle of elevation alpha, and this is tower. Let height of that, this is tower, this is ABC, and at a station B due east of A, so this point is B. So here we will take D and this point is B. This is the point B due east of A. This is the east of A. So it is beta. So angle of elevation of this point is beta. This angle DBC. This is angle DBC is beta, and here also this will be 90 degree, and already here it is 90, but also this will be 90 for this triangle, so it will be right angle. Now prove that the height of the tower is AB into sine alpha into sine beta whole divided by under root sin square alpha minus sin square beta. It is very easy question. Only we have to take the ratios sin alpha and sin beta and put up the value sin alpha, sin beta, sin square alpha minus sin square beta. Then this should give height h. By putting the value of all the ratios, this should give h. This we have to prove. So take all ratios. So at first in triangle proof. In triangle it is, this is the D point. In triangle DAC. In triangle DAC, sin alpha is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, so it will be h by AC. Again in triangle DBC, in triangle DBC, sin beta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, so h by BC. Now put all these value in this quantity. So AB into sin alpha is h by AC into Sine beta is h by bc divided by under root sine square alpha. So h square by ac square minus sine square beta is h square by bc square. Note down. Now AB into h square by AC into BC divided by under root, take LCM of AC square and BC square. So this will be AC square into BC square. Now divide this whole part by AC square. So this will be left multiplied by h square. So h square into BC square. Similarly here it will be minus h square into AC square. After this, AB into h square by AC into BC whole divided by under root h square within bracket BC square minus AC square divided by AC square into BC square, and it will be AB into h square by AC into BC divided by under root h square within bracket BC square minus AC square, and if it will come out of the square root, this will be AC into BC, and finally this will be AB into h square by AC into BC, and this will go up into AC into BC divided by under root h square into BC square minus AC square. So here AC into BC cancelled, and if this under root h square will come out of this, this will give AB into h square by h under root BC square minus AC square, and h cancel. And now we have to calculate this part, and this part should give AB, so that this will be cancelled and we will prove that the height of the tower will be h. Now let us calculate this part. Note down up to here. Now so AB into h divided by under root BC square minus AC square. Now we have to calculate this part. ABD. AB square is equal to BD square minus AD square, because this is perpendicular. So perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. This is hypotenuse, this is base, and this BD square for this triangle, in triangle BDC, BD square is equal to BC square minus H square. BC square minus H square minus, and in this triangle, in triangle ADC, AD square is equal to AC square minus H square. So open this, BC square minus H square minus AC square plus H square. So minus H square plus H square cancel. So BC square minus AC square. So AB square is equal to BC square minus AC square. So AB is equal to under root BC square minus AC square, and this value is here, AB. So finally AB into H, and this is equal to AB. So AB. So we have proved that this is the height of the tower H. Children, note down the answers, and if you like the video, then please subscribe the channel, share it, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.